Hello everyone, Hatamadi for Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. Today I decided to make it for you this video after 8 months using V8. Okay? Actually, I fuck this V8. I use him day and night. I go to gym, I go to work, I go to a supermarket. No place I'm missing to go. And here, where I'm staying now at the moment in Ukraine, we have the most trash and garbage roads, not only all over Europe, all over the world, okay? So what I'm telling you that this one is really beast, V8. But I'm gonna tell you, including this 8 months that I use him, okay? Listen, I'm not sure, from 6 to 8 months, okay? Let me tell you something. Number one, sound still it doesn't work anymore. I don't know. It was have things then sound disappear, you know. I download English sound from application and they send it to it and everything, but it doesn't work. You got me? He don't have voice. I can show you. See guys, one of the issues, for example, that sometimes he find it directly and sometimes he not find, okay? Flashlight doesn't work through application, see? I don't know why. Anyway, let's see here. Let's go to sound. I already have the English one. I downloaded here from here, and I press apply. It's transfer and everything, but there's no voice. I did factory default. I did everything, but it doesn't work. Okay, I don't know why. But anyway, let me tell you something. Forget about it. We'll back to it later now. Let me tell you something. You see this holder? Sometimes it's stuck, you got me? It's not go up, it's not go easy. You know what to do? Look, do you see the spray? The spray for protect all footwear from water. You know this protection spray? This is England one. I bought it with $10. Okay? Or 10 or 15, I don't remember. If you buy a spray like this for protection, you know, that something will sneeze. And spray here, as I done now, and spray here in the bottom here. This, let me show you closer. This bottom's here, where it's close. And spray here, okay? So now it will go more easy. Wait, let me do. Yeah, look. So now it's so soft. Look, when you press. So guys, you know, how you do, you press the bottom, you grab up and you grab down, okay? Just I will sit in the ground. So again, now before it was stuck so much, you got me, doesn't want to go down. After the spray, honestly, press the bottom, grab it up. Now you press, grab up and look. So it's become soft and everything is okay. Listen, if I will compare it with the V10F, no, there's no compare, to be honest with you. Listen, it's soft on the ground and beast. You know, guys, comparing with ninebot E Plus, ninebot E Plus, it's trash, completely trash monowheel. He don't have flashlight, he don't have anything. Trash monowheel by all ways, okay? No, if I will compare it with the ninebot, it's no compare with E Plus. V8 is way better, okay? But if I will compare it with the V10 or V10F, no. He's more or less. I mean, listen, he's also soft in the ground, also beast in holes, also speedily. 35 kilometers too enough for me even, and everything. I have the V10F, okay, but V10F is way better, more beasts, more speedily. I mean, V10F, you feel that you ride car, you know. Also, to be honest with you, I just bought now 2 days ago, and I made video. I don't have time to post it, but I will try to. I bought ninebot Z10, okay. Also, ninebot Z10 is beast. Also, to be honest with you, Z10 is beast and V10F, but V10F is better than Z10 in somehow option, and Z10. I will tell you something. Z10 is because he have fat wheel, so I guess in the snow and like this he will be better, and raining, not sneeze. But also V5F will not sneeze. Anyway, so what I'm talking about the issues now, I'm telling you. Here, this medallion, I don't know, maybe from used should become like this, okay? And the Bluetooth sometimes receive, not receive, and the sound disappear. Let's back again to the phone. I did it already 1 million times, just showing you, you know. See, it's applied and everything here English, but it's not to work. You got me? So, but generally it's beast. It's nice. Have spin bottom. It's have no problem. But guys, I want to tell you something. Sometimes when I am road now, I'm hearing a disc, the disc inside itching. You know, like this. Maybe from the bad roads here. I'm not gonna say something. I'm not heavy. I'm 75 kilogram. Okay. Sometimes, to be honest with you guys, sometimes I take big holes. Sometimes I fall in big holes, especially in this fucking country here. Roads are so fucking sucks. So sometimes I fall in bigger holes. But to tell you something, maybe that's why he start to have this issue, this disc. I don't want to repair, and I'm not gonna repair. I will still. I have two other wheels. But for people that they ask me, is the way different between V8 and V10? Yeah, it's way big different. Who's more beast in off roads? Sure, V10. More speedy, more and more luxury, even in front of people. You know, when you ride it, appear that you ride something hoppa high. So, guys, this was my opinion about V8 after 8 months using. This is the only three issues that I faced. And listen, if you will ride it, my last thing, buy the bats here protection, because this is hurting your calves. It's hurting my bones, especially in off-road. But it's beautiful. There is nothing I can say. The flashlight is okay, but not like the V10F. Flashlight in V10F is so goddamn high. Okay guys, thanks for watching and see you again in another video. One last thing about the medallion. Honestly, so beautiful. This one gum and this one, my legs not sneeze at all. Do you know, guys, in Z10, in ninebot Z10, my legs in raining sneeze as fuck. But with this even, it's not sneezing. My foot is stuck so good, so well. Okay guys, see you again in other videos. Peace and love for everyone, and bye bye, because I have a lot of videos to do. Bye 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 guys.